Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create floor plan with GstarCAD Architecture 2021. In this software you will be see the toolbox tools to create fast floor plans in GstarCAD. Okay, first in here we can use wall tools and you can click draw walls. You can set for width in here and you can set for base point like center point, left point or right point. And in this tutorial we can use from a center point. You can click at this point so it will be automatically draw from center points. Move to the right here, we can set into 5000 and move to the bottom we can set into 6000. You can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, you can move to the left again 2500, move to the bottom 1000. To the left here we can set into 2500 and press C to close this command. Next, you can draw from this center point, middle point line. You can move to the top. You can set into 2000, and you can click at this point. You also can sort at this point, and you can move to the top. We can set into minus 2000, so it will be go into this point. Move to the right here. We can set into 2000. And you can click in the middle point here. Okay, now we already create the simple floor plan. You can press enter to close. The next, how to insert doors. You can use the door tools. You can use this toolbox, door and windows, and you can click door or windows. Click here. To create door, you can choose this option, insert door. If you want to create a window, you can click here, insert window. Okay, we can click here, insert door, and to change doors, you can double click in here, so it will be automatically change door. Okay, we can use this door for default. You can close. The next, to change for symbols, you can double click at this point. You can find a symbol here. Okay, you can use this default symbols. You can click close. The next, for width, I will set into 900 or height 2100. Okay, for insertion we can use this insert an intelligent way, and I will set from this point. Click. Okay, we set again at this point. The next we can set for width into 700 and set at this point. This for 700. Now we can set for window. We can insert. Okay, you can double click in here and you can change your windows. So we can use this windows, double window, close. And now we can set again in a center point here. Also in here, center points in here. Okay, the next I will set into the back here, and you can set into center point in here. Okay. So very easy to insert doors and windows in GstarCAD Architecture 2021. You have all features in here. So you can click close to done. Now, how to insert heads? It will be same with the other CAD application. You can tap H to insert H, and now in here we can set for pattern. We can use NC31s, and for color we can set in here. Next, for scale, so we can set to 50, and for big points we can set in here in a wall. Big point. So you can select one by one. This point also in here. Okay, you already select all and you can press enter. The next you can click preview. So this is for preview and you can press enter again. Click OK to close. Okay. The next we can insert text. Okay, in here we can use room and roof. Okay, we can search for room. I will select at this room. You can press enter. So it will be automatically create room with area. You can press enter to apply. Next we create again room. Okay, you can select this room. Press enter. It will be automatically apply. The next we can select in here. We'll select at this point. Press enter again to create rooms. You also can change for text height. You can select all and use a properties. In here for text height, I will set into 3. Press enter, so it will be changed to 3. And you can double click to edit. Like in here, we can set into toilet. In here, we can set into main room. Okay, and then in here, we can set into bedroom. Okay. The next, we can insert for dimensions. We can use in a toolbox. Okay, you can click here dimensions. But if you want to edit dimension, you can tap B, press enter to open dimension styles. In here we can use standard, and you can click set current standard. You can click modify. You can change in here for text and the other settings. For text height in here, we can set default to 5, and you can click OK, click close. The next, we can use this linear dimension. You can set for dimension style into standard and scale factor 1. Now we can set from this endpoint in middle lines. Okay, also click at this point. Click in here. It's very easy. Then click again from this point. So yeah, it will be automatically attached. Then press enter to apply. Click again from this point into here. From this point you can sort at this point and move into here. Click at this point. Press enter again. Next you can spread from here, okay, into this point, and then from this point, click in here. Okay, you can click from this point and then sort at this point, move into here. Okay, the next we set again. You can click from this point. You can sort into this point. Click in here. The next we can grab again from this point. Okay, this point into here, and now from this point into this point. The last in the left here, it will be very easy to create dimension. Okay, from this point into here. Okay, now we already create this simple floor plan with GstarCAD as tutorial, fast and easy. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.